Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you through the steps to build your own greenhouse on a budget. With a few simple materials and a bit of creativity, you can create a perfect space for your plants to thrive. Let's dive in. Start by creating the frame using PVC pipes and connectors. Form the structure by connecting the pipes into hoops. Make sure to secure them firmly using zip ties for added stability. Anchor the frame to the ground by inserting rebar or stakes into the ground and sliding the PVC pipes over them. This ensures stability, especially in windy conditions. Drape clear plastic sheeting over the frame, securing it with zip ties. Ensure the plastic is tightly stretched to provide a snug covering for your greenhouse. If desired, create a door for easy access. Attach hinges and a latch to a PVC frame covered with plastic sheeting. Install the door securely within the greenhouse frame. Consider adding ventilation by leaving openings at the bottom and top of your greenhouse. This allows for proper air circulation, crucial for your plant's well-being. For added durability, you can construct a wooden base for your greenhouse. This not only provides a stable foundation, but also adds a rustic touch to your DIY project. There you have it, your very own budget-friendly greenhouse. With a minimal investment and a bit of effort, you've created a perfect haven for your plants. Happy gardening!